Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add participants on Google Meet. Do you need to bring more people into your Google Meet session? All right, so whether you're inviting teammates, clients, or friends, here's exactly how to add participants on Google Meet. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open your browser and go to meet.google.com. And once you're on the Meet page, go ahead and click on new meeting and select start and instant meeting, or you can just go ahead and click on enter a code or link to join an existing meeting. So once you're inside the meeting, you see that you're ready to start adding people. So look at the bottom right corner of the meeting screen and you're going to see the people icon. So go ahead, it usually looks like a person with two heads. So go ahead and click on that, and this opens the participants panel on the right. So at the top right of the participants panel, go ahead and click on add people button, and it is represented by a person with a plus sign. So a pop-up window titled add people will appear. So go ahead, in the add people pop-up, enter an email address of the participant you want to invite, and you can enter the name or the email address. And once you're done, just go ahead and click send email, and they will get a direct invite with a meeting link. So once you're done, you can also copy the join info and send manually. So click copy joining info to get that at the bottom of the pop-up. It's not going to display now because I have not joined any. So because I have not enabled the sharing. So once you click on copy joining info at the bottom of the pop-up, go ahead and paste the link into an email, WhatsApp, Slack, or any platform you prefer. And also here you have this, your meeting is ready, and you have this option that allows you to join. So click on it, and that's how it works. So this method is fast if you're already in communication with invitees outside of Google Meet. That's the option to copy joining info. Now, once your invited participants click the link or accept the invite, they will appear in the participants panel. You might need to admit them manually if the meeting requires host approval. If you scheduled the meeting in Google Calendar, you can open the event, add participant via add guest section, and save the changes. All invitees will receive an email with the Google Meets link automatically. So you can go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, it'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.